Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGBY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. For those of you that have been watching the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.036. And as I talked about, that one was more of the ideal level along with that purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And today the prices were violated and things just got kind of sloppy. So in the spirit and from a presentation standpoint, I just wanted to try to keep this as clean as possible, this being just the analysis as a whole. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to get rid of it. There we go. Just want to get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, but, at the end of the day, yeah, that price broke below it. And, sure, that does, the chart doesn't look quite as attractive as what it did, but there's a big difference between losing some attractiveness and being totally ruined. So by no means am I saying that the overall chart is totally ruined. Has it lost some of its attractiveness? Yeah, if it had been able to stay up above that 50-period 0.036, it'd look more attractive than what it does now. But again, losing some attractiveness and being totally ruined, two very different things. And I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined. The big reason for, saying things are not totally ruined is, example A is the price is still well above this level of support that I've talked about numerous times in the past 3 cents. And, kind of exhibit B, if this was a quarter law, the price is still well above the overall trend indicator, which is that pink line, the famous 200-period simple moving average. So that's why, for both of those reasons, sure, the overall chart is still perfectly healthy. Yeah, short term, this pullback, I'm sure everyone would agree, a little bit deeper than people wanted, but that's just short term. From the big picture perspective, like I said, everything is still fine. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that the price can't break through those levels or anything like that. I mean, anything's always possible. But as the, the quote-unquote story stands right now, I mean, the bulls are still up above those key overall levels of support, and that's what you want to see. From a resistance standpoint, nothing new here to report. 0.049, still that level of resistance, and then up there at 0.055, so nothing new there. If you want to talk shorter term levels of resistance, the key level that you want to see the price get back up above and stay above is that purple line, again, 50-period simple moving average. But all in all, just kind of a wait and see type perspective now, given, everything that's going on. And, today is the voting and all that, so we'll have to see how this all unfolds tomorrow, but it should be quite interesting. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.